Hey, I'm Zane. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate this little Python script that I have for rotating PDF labels that you might get on eBay or Etsy and cropping them in so that they could be printed on a 4x6 thermal printer. So you'll start out with something like this from eBay or Etsy, and the application is dynamic so that no matter what orientation your label is in or what scale factor it's at, you will be able to pick the window that you want it at and the rotation that you want it at to get it aligned nice and neat like this for a 4x6 thermal label printer. So the first thing that I'm going to go over is the usage. So I'm going to delete this finalized PDF, and so we're starting with just this original PDF and not even the config data, just this original PDF that you would get and this script that I have. So the usage of the script is very simple. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the crop box window on the PDF, and I'm going to do that with Python 3 lbl.py and the name of the PDF document. Oh, got to get into the right directory. I've got a little demo directory here. Okay, and that opens up a GUI window where you can just draw the boundaries of your PDF roughly. So that's it. And what happens is you get a crop data config file that defines where your label actually exists on the PDF. And so moving forward, it always references to this exact location. So if you're using, for example, a label that comes off of eBay, and your boundaries are as such, you just draw the crop box window and it will record position data in this config file. And then moving forward, anytime you want to do a new label, it will just refer to those positions that are stored in the config file. So now that the position data has been stored, it's very simple to get a cropped and rotated PDF. So I'm going to do that with Python 3, label.py for the script, label 1.pdf for the actual PDF, and then I'm going to give it an output name, so .pdf, and a rotation angle. And since this is off by 90 degrees, I will rotate it 90 degrees to get it just up and down. So 90 degrees. And with that, we have our cropped and rotated PDF ready to be printed on a thermal printer. Just hit the print button and it should be good to go. So just a quick look at the code. It's a pretty simple script here. Basically, it behaves in different ways based on the number of arguments you give it. So first time around, you're going to need to define that crop box. So you'll just call it with the input PDF name, and that's it. And then you will get to define the crop box, and it will automatically save that data to a config file. So anytime you open the script up or you run the script again in the future, it already knows how to handle the labels that you feed it, assuming you're feeding the same kind of format of label, which should be the case. And then if you are calling it with only 2 arguments, the assumption is that no rotation is needed, right? So it will just crop it. And then for 3 arguments, you're giving it the input PDF name, the output PDF name, and the rotation angle, because in this situation, you do need to rotate 90 degrees or negative 90 degrees, or, you know, in a crazy case, 180 degrees, and get your final PDF. So that's it. There are a couple of dependencies for this to work. Tkinter for the GUI, and fitz for displaying the PDF in the GUI, and then these dependencies here for actually reading and writing the PDFs. For now, I'm just going to release this script on my GitHub, so that's available for anybody to use. And if there's enough interest, if enough people are interested in it, put it down in the comments, and I can release a Windows executable or a Mac application that I can maintain and make real nice and convenient, easy to use for a small fee. If there's enough interest in it, I can put that together and have that available on my website for sale. So thank you for watching this video. Leave a like and a comment. And if you are interested in having this little application for personal use or professional use, just let me know, and I can throw it together if there's enough interest in it.